أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
ووضع الكتاب فترى المجرمين مشفقين مما فيه ويقولون يا ويلتنا ما لهذا الكتاب لا يغادر صغيرة ولا كبيرة إلا أحصاها ووجدوا ما عملوا حاضرا ولا يظلم ربك أحدا.
And the book will be placed, and you will see the sinners fearful of its contents. And they will say, Woe to us! What is with this book that leaves nothing, small or big, but it has enumerated it? They will find everything they had done present. Your Lord does not wrong anyone.